Virus, viroids, and lichens. In this five kingdom classification of Whittaker, there is no mention of some acellular organisms like viruses and viroids and lichens. These are briefly introduced here. All of us who have suffered the ill effects of common cold or flu know what effects viruses can have on us. Even we do not associate it with our conditions. Viruses did not find a place in classification since they are not truly living. If we understand living as those organisms that have a cell structure, the viruses are non-cellular organisms that are characterized by having an inert crystalline structure outside the living cell. Once they infect a cell, they take over the machinery of the host cell to replicate themselves, killing the host. Would you call viruses living or non-living? The name viruses, that means venom or poisonous fluid, was given Pasteur D.J. Ivanovsky 1892 recognized certain microbes called to be smaller than bacteria because they pass through bacteria. Profilters M.W. Beznik 1898 demonstrated that the extract of the infected plants of tobacco could cause infections in healthy plants and called fluid as Contigium vivum fluidium. Living fluid. WM stand showed that viruses could be crystallite and crystal consist of proteins. They are inert outside their specific host cell. Viruses are obligate parasites. In addition to protein, viruses also contain genetic material that contain the either RNA or DNA. No viruses contain both RNA and DNA. A virus is a nucleoprotein and the viruses have either single or double-stranded RNA or double-stranded DNA. Bacterial viruses or bacteriophages. Viruses that infect the bacteria are usually double-stranded DNA viruses. The protein consists called capsid made of small subunits called capsomers. Protect the geometric forms. Viruses causes disease like mumps, smallpox, herpes, and influenza. AIDS in humans is also caused by a virus in plants. The symptoms can be mosaic formation, leaf rolling and curling, yellowing and vein clearing, dwarfing and stunned growth. Viroids. In 1971, Theo Daniel discovered a new infectious agent that was smaller than viruses and caused potato spindle tuber disease. It was found to be a free RNA. It is lacked the protein code that is found in viruses, hence the name viroid. The RNA of the viroid was of low molecular weight. Lichens. Lichens are symbiotic association, i.e. mutually useful associations between algae and fungi. The algal component is known as phycobiont and fungal component as mycobiont, which are autotrophic and heterotrophic respectively. Algae prepare food for fungi and fungi provide shelter and absorb minerals, nutrients and water for its partner. So close is their association that if one saw a lichen in nature, one would never imagine that they had two different organisms within them. Lichens are very good pollution indicators. They do not grow in polluted areas.